Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing experiments with like food stuff. So let's get on with the video. Okay, so first we will be using peanut butter, baking powder, vanilla extract, 1 empty cup, and 1 cup with some water inside of it. So first we're going to pour in a cupful of the vanilla extract. So there's 1 cupful of the vanilla extract. And then we'll take a spoonful of baking powder. And then we're going to pour in the water. And then we're going to take a little bit more baking powder. And dump it in there. It looks like soda. Actually, we will not be using the peanut butter. And I'm not going to drink it, but it's a straw to mix it with. But I'm not completely done. We'll be using 1 egg. And then we'll just mix it up. And I decided we should add a little bit more baking powder. That much, maybe. Put that back up there. Mix it up. Okay, now it's a little fluffy, but the bottom is still like not that fluffy, so we're going to add a little bit more baking powder. So there's the baking powder. And then we're going to add a little bit more water and 1 more, and then like a half full of, like a half cup of vanilla extract. So there's the vanilla. Get the water. And there's the water. And now we'll mix it a little more. And I was using a straw for this, but I would recommend a spoon. Okay, now I'll pour it into a cup. I'll pour it into this cup and see what the results are. Okay, my hands are a little sticky. I think it's because of it. It's kind of heavy. So let's get on to the next experiment. It's just like fluffy. Next experiment. Now I'll be using 2 spoonfuls of baking powder, 1 egg, vanilla extract, 1 capful of it, and then 1 empty cup. So put the egg in first. And take something to mix it with. I chose a spoon. So just chop up the egg. Just mix up the egg. This might take a while. Okay, now you take your vanilla extract. Only 1 cupful. You have to be very careful about that. 1 cupful of that. Then you mix it up. So far you have this like eggy and then just pour in little by little baking powder. And it kind of makes it chunky right now. It's like a little chunky. So we'll add a little more. And we'll keep repeating that step until we get to this creamy, powdery, like it's just like creamy and powdery, kind of like, it's just like, just creamy and powdery. You can probably use this for like squishies, like homemade squishies, if you wanted to. It's really cold though. And as you can see, I used all of it. And I'm just going to add in a little more from that was on the spoon. But now, like, if you keep mixing it, it'll get, like, to, like, just, like, gooey and, like, sloppy. I'm going to add some more. It smells really good, too. I'm going to add 1 more spoonful into this, and I'll be back. Okay, so now I have 1 more spoonful of it, and I'll just be dumping it inside. Little by little. And see you later. It's like powdery now. I don't know if you can see it, but like it's just powdery. Like it's just like coming out with powder. And you can like keep repeating this step if you want to. And I'm going to say which one was my favorite one at the end of the video. Which experiment is my favorite one. It's just like sloppy. I'm actually going to put this in a container and like save it because it looks really cool and I think I could use it for something. Soon like the egg might get like rotten, but like I could use it for something because it's completely edible. It's made with all edible things, so yeah, you can use this for like a cake maybe, I don't know, maybe. Now I will be using raspberry jelly and baking powder for this one. So I barely have any left of this, so I'm just going to dump it in there. Okay, so I have the raspberry jelly in there. I'm going to take a bigger spoon and use one of those spoonfuls and dump it in there. I'm just going to mix it all up and see what it gives me. Gosh, there's like powder everywhere. There's baking powder everywhere. this is what it looks like. Like, just, if you added more and, like, more into there, it would probably be, like, really cool. Comment down below if you think I should keep this one. Once again, that is completely edible, so you can always have that one. So for this one, we'll be using water, lemon pepper seasoning, fancy theme leaf, celery salt, steak seasoning salt, and then just that cup of water I might have told you about. I have a horrible memory, sorry.